Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss about comparison operators, logical operators and special operators. These operators are useful for you to filter the data when you are retrieving the information from the table using select statement. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First, let me discuss about the comparison operators. The comparison operators are broadly classified into 6 types. One is the equal operator. Equal operator can be represented using the equal symbol. Then you have the not equal operator, which will be represented using not equal. Then you have the greater than. Greater than will be represented using this symbol. Greater than or equal will be represented like this. Then you have the less than. We have less than or equal. So these are the 6 comparison operators are there, which is useful for you to compare with something. The tuples which are satisfying those conditions will be displayed as an output. All these things practically we will discuss in SQL plus. Let me write select star from tab end with semicolon. This statement is useful for you to display all the tables in the database. We have the DEPT table, EMP table, bonus table, Salgate table, all these tables are there. If I want to look at the data from the particular table, then I can write select star from EMP table end with semicolon. Then this select statement is useful for you to display all the data from the table called EMP. Here you are not filtering any data. See, totally we have 14 rows are selected and each row have various attributes like EMP number, E-name, job, MGR is manager, hire date, SAL, communication department, all these things are there. But here we are not filtering any data. If I want to filter the data, like I want to find the employee number and employee name of the employee called Ford, then how I can write? I will write select. What are the attributes you want to display? Employee number, which is EMP number, and then E-name from the table called EMP. Then I will use the where clause and I will write E-name is equal to what? Ford. Now end with semicolon. Now you can see the employee number and employee name of the employee called Ford only has been displayed. If you want to display all the attributes of the employee name Ford, then how you can write? Select star from EMP where E-name is equal to Ford we will write. End with semicolon. Now you can see we got the employee number as 7902. Employee name is Ford. What is the job he is doing? Analyst. MGR, his manager is having the employee number called 7566 and he has been hired on 3rd December 81. Then salary is 3000. Communication department number is 20. If I want to know who are the employees are working as the analyst, then I can write select star from EMP, or only I want the employee names, right? Then I will write E-name from EMP where E-name, not E-name, job, where job is equal to analyst, because you want to find the employees who are working as an analyst. Let me end with the semicolon. Is the spelling is correct? Yes, the spelling is correct. Now you can see these are the employees who are working as the analyst like Scott and Ford. Now I want to know the employees who are not working as an analyst. Then how can I write? Select E-name from EMP where job not equal to analyst I will write. and end with semicolon. Now these are the 12 employees who are not working as an analyst. Like you have the Smith, Allen, Ward, Jones, Martin, Blake, Clark, King, Turner, Adams, James, Miller. Now you want to know which job they are doing. Then you can write select ename, job from EMP where job not equal to analyst. Now you can see these 12 employees are working like Smith is working as a clerk, Allen working as a salesman, Ward working as a salesman, like this. Now you want to know their salaries. Then you can write select ename, job, SAL from EMP where job not equal to, let me write analyst. Oh, ename spelling we have done wrong. Let me edit. The editing is done. Let me save it. Close this one. Give the backslash. Now you can see these 12 employees. Names has given. Their job has been given. And the salary was given. Now I want to find the employees whose salary is greater than, let me take 3000. Then you can see select ename, job, SAL from EMP where SAL greater than 3000. Let me end with semicolon. Now you can see this is the employee King who is working as a president getting the salary greater than 5000. If I say greater than 1500, or I will give greater than or equal to, okay, then select ename, job, SAL from EMP where SAL greater than or equal to 1500. Then it will display the employee names and their job and their salary who is earning greater than or equal to, means greater than 1500 or equal to 1500. Then you can see again what the mistake. This time we have entered the table name wrongly. Let me edit it. Select ename, job, SAL from EMP table. Let me save it. Close this one. End with backslash. Now you can see the employee name, job and salary has been displayed, and all the salaries are greater than or equal to 1500. You can see 1600 is greater than 1500, 2975 is greater than 1500, 2850 is greater, 2450, 3000, 5000, 1500 is equal to 1500 and 3000 is greater than 1500. So the tuples which are satisfying the given condition will be displayed as an output. So we are filtering the data. Now if I want to say less than, okay, the employees whose salary is less than 1500 I want to display, then I can write select ename, job, SAL from the table called EMP where salary is less than 1500. Okay, I have written greater than, less than 1500, end with semicolon. Now you can see the employees who are earning salary less than 1500 has been displayed. Like Smith is earning 800 which is less than 1500, Ward is earning 1250 and Martin is earning 1250, then Adams is earning 1100, James is earning 950, Miller is earning 1300. So all these salaries are less than 1500. If I want to say less than or equal to 950, then I can write select ename, job, SAL from EMP where SAL is less than or equal to, let me give 950. Then you can see these are the two employees who are earning less than 950 or equal to 950. Now you can see Smith is earning 800 which is less than 950. James is earning exactly 950 which because it is equal to 950. So like this we can use the comparison operators in the where clause. Whatever the comparison you are doing, if the tuples which are satisfying this comparison or the condition, those tuples only will be displayed as an output. Now we will discuss about the logical operators. The logical operators are useful for you to compare more than one condition. We have logical and we will represent using the AND notation. Logical OR is there, we will represent using OR. Logical NOT is there, we will represent using the NOT. So these are the three logical operators are there. The logical AND and logical OR will be useful for you to compare more than one condition. Suppose if I want to say the employee name should be Ford and earning 950, like that I want to compare more than one condition, then I can use the logical operators. Let me discuss this concept practically in Oracle SQL Plus. So I will write select ename comma job, and I will write from, let me give salary also, so SAL from EMP, where salary should be greater than or equal to 1500 and less than or equal to 3000. I want to display means the people who are earning from 1500 to 3000, I want to know their data. So I will give SAL greater than or equal to 1500 and SAL less than or equal to, let me give 3000. Then employees who are earning between 1500 to 3000 will be displayed as an output. Let me end with semicolon. Now you can see these are the 7 employees who are earning between 1500 to 3000. You can see 1600, 2975, 2850, 2450, 3000, 1500, 3000. So here logical AND means the tuples which are satisfying the condition 1, which is salary greater than or equal to 1500, tuples which are satisfying both these conditions will be displayed as an output. It is like logical AND. Logical AND means the tuple should satisfy this condition and the tuple should satisfy this condition, only will be displayed as an output. If you want to say it should satisfy this one or this one, then you can use the OR. Okay, like I can write select ename comma job comma SAL from EMP, where salary greater than or equal to 1500 or salary less than or equal to 3000. Now you can see, okay, we got 14 employees. All the employees data we have displayed because I am saying less than or equal to 1500 or greater than or equal to 3000. All the employees data has been displayed who are satisfying either this condition, means salary less than or equal to 1500, those data has been displayed. Salary greater than or equal to 3000 has been displayed. I hope you have got the point. I want to compare not equal to 1500 or something, then you can write select ename. I will write logical NOT. Logical NOT is a unary operator. Okay, look at here. I will write select ename comma job comma SAL from EMP, where salary not equal to 1500, then end with the semicolon. Now you can see employees whose salary is not equal to 1500 has been displayed, like 800 is not equal to 1500, 1600, 1250 not less than 1500. Then I can write select ename comma job comma SAL from EMP. I can write the same thing using the NOT also, where salary not greater than or equal to 1500. Then you can see invalid relational operator. Let me write. Now you can see we got this data. So what I have written, select ename comma job comma SAL from EMP where not salary greater than or equal to 1500. So you are saying salary greater than or equal to 1500, but I'm saying not. So then it will give the employees details whose salary is less than 1500, because not greater than or equal to 1500 means less than 1500. So you got Smith who is earning 800, Ward 1250, Martin 1250, Adams 1100, James 950, Miller 1300. Like this we got the data. Now we will discuss about the special operators. We have 4 special operators such as in, and we have the between and then we have the like operator, and we have is null operator. So we will discuss all these things practically in SQL plus. I want the employee name, job and salary where employee name is equal to Smith, Ward, Martin. Then how I can write? Select ename comma job comma SAL from EMP where employee name, okay, ename is equal to, I will write Smith, SMITH, logical or I will write ename is equal to Ward, I will write logical or you need to give ename is equal to Adams. Now what I want to say, I want to get the employee name, their job description, salary, where the employee name is equal to Smith or Ward or Adams. So those details only I want. Now you can see only Smith details, Ward details, Adam details has been displayed. So you are using the logical or. Ename is equal to Smith, either Smith or Ward or Adams. This one we can simply do using the in operator also. How I can do? Let me write. I will write select ename comma job comma SAL from EMP where ename in, I will write, look at here, within the single quotes I will write Smith comma Ward comma Adams. Let me end with semicolon. Now you can see we got the same data like employee name, details of the employee Smith, Ward and Adams. So we can do the same task using the logical or and also the in operator. Now in operator is looking little bit easy for you. See these employee names who are either Smith or Ward or Adams. From these details, if it is matching with something, those details only I want to display, or those tuples or rows I want to display. If I want to say not Smith, not Ward, not Adams, then how you will write here? Ename not equal to Smith or ename not equal to Ward or ename not equal to Adams. Like this you will write. Let me write for you. Select ename comma job comma SAL from EMP where ename not equal to Smith, logical or ename not equal to Ward, logical or ename not equal to Adams. Let me end with semicolon. Then the employee details other than Smith, Ward and Adams will be displayed. You can see we got Smith details, Ward details, everyone details we got. But if I use select ename comma job comma SAL from EMP where ename not in Smith comma Ward comma Adams. Now you can see we have done the task little bit simple and we got the correct output also. So not in Smith details have not been displayed, Ward details have not displayed, and Adams details also not displayed. So this is the advantage of using the not in operator. Now you want to know the employees whose salary is greater than or equal to 1000 and less than or equal to 2000. Those details if you want to know, like between 1000 to 2000. Then what you will write? You will write select ename, comma job, comma SAL from EMP. You will write from the employee table where salary greater than or equal to 1000, logical, and I will use salary less than or equal to 2000. Then you will get the employees who are in the range, salary range 1000 to 2000. You can see all these 6 employees. Elaine is earning 1600, which is between 1000 to 2000. Ward is earning 1250, which is between 1000 to 2000. Martin also 1250. Turner 1500, which is in the range. Adams 1100 is in the range. Miller is also earning 1300, which is in the range between 1000 to 2000. This task also we can simplify using the one of the special operator called between end. So I will write select ename, comma job, comma SAL from EMP where SAL between 1000 and 2000. Let me end with semicolon. What happened? Oh, we have done a mistake. Let me write here comma. Let me save it and close it and give the backslash. Now you can see 6 employees details has been displayed. Whatever the output earlier we are getting, the same output we are getting. You can observe Ellen 1600, Ward 1250. All this data we are getting same thing. But using the between and operator, this task became little bit simple for you. If you want to write not between, then you can write what? Select ename, comma job, comma SAL from EMP where not SAL between 1000 and 2000. Then complement of this data will be displayed. Now you got 8 rows have been selected. Smith earning 800, which is not in the range of 1000 to 2000. Jones is earning 2975, which is not in the range. 2850 is not in the range. 2450 is not in the range. 3000 is not in the range. 5000 is not in the range. 950 is not in the range. 3000 is not in the range. So complement of this one will be displayed. Here you are saying between 1000 to 2000. You are saying now not between 1000 to 2000. So it is complement for the original result. We will discuss about the like operator. I want to know the employees who are whose name is starting with S. Then how can I display the data? Am I right? So your question is starting with S. Then how you can write? Select ename, comma job, comma SAL from EMP table, from EMP where ename like, I will use the like operator is, I will say start with yes. So I will give yes percentage. Let me end with semicolon. Now you can see the employee names like Smith and Scott, whose name is starting with S, their details has been displayed. If you want to say end with S, then how you can write? Select ename, comma job, comma SAL from EMP where ename like, I will write percentage yes. Then all the employees whose name is ending with S like Jones, Adams, James, all these employees, their names are ending with S. So like this wildcard characters we can use using the like operator. We will discuss much about the wildcard characters in the next video. Now we will discuss about is null. So you want to verify whether it is null or not. To do that one, what I will do, I will display all the existing tables because here there is no null data. Okay, we have the Parnika _2 student sample, several data is there. We will see the description of any table. Okay, I will write DESC sample 12. no restriction of constraint called not null. We'll see the data from the sample 12 table. So I will write select star from sample 12. So you are displaying all the data. Okay, so 2000 is there and then Jagadish is there. Now I will intentionally enter some null values. Insert into sample 12, table sample 12. What is the column you want to give? Name you want to give, and then values. I will give Rajesh. Obviously that salary I am entering null value. One row has been created. Okay. Similarly, I want to insert only the salary. Okay, I will write SALARY values 1000. What happened? Check constraint has been restricted. I think we have given some check constraint. Let me give some 30,000. Okay, let me give ED, and here insert into sample 12 salary values 25,000. Close it. Now one row has been created. If you want to display the data, you can write select star from sample 12. Now you are not using any filter, so all the data has been displayed. Now I want to know the name where it is null. Then I can write, okay, select star or select star from sample 12 where name is null. Now you can see salary 25,000 does not have the name. If you want to say is not null, then Jagadish and Rajesh details will be displayed. So I will write select star from sample 12 where name is not null. Now you can see Jagadish and Rajesh details has been displayed. I hope you have understood about the comparison operators, logical operators and special operators. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.